All right, so y'all know who Wickiana is. Okay, so this is not the best position to have her in. Sorry about that. But anyway, hey, tell them hey, hey. Okay, there we go. So all right, so this is Wickiana, and so her hair has different wicks. So we have what we have is the root tightened up wick, where the root is like jive, tighten things like that. When we have the loose kind of, what I'm saying, wig is real soft. Over time these can get flat because it's really soft, you know what I mean? It's like I want to say it's like balled up hair for real, you know what I'm saying? Think of it as matted hair. So, you know what I'm saying? It's soft but not too soft that it would, like come loose, you know what I mean? Okay, this right here, this is a flattened wig. So this is like the wave or the trend of things and all of that. But yeah, and this right here, this is an extension with the wig, you know what I'm saying? So that's how that looks there. As you know, it is two different hairs. You see it. But that's neither here or there. So anyway, moving on. So then we have a very slim kind of lock. But I did have an extension onto this, but I took it off. But anyway, that's not why we're here. We also got a two-strand. Like, ooh, these are very soft, you know what I'm saying? They can unravel or they can lock up over time because of the frizziness. See these frizzies? These frizzies will make a lock form if we was freeforming. But that's not what we're talking about. Then we have our drop wick. Oh, wait. Yeah, so then we got our little drop wick. It is still soft, just like the wick that was uh, over here. It's like this wick. So yeah, still soft. And right here, then we have, a bunk. You know what I'm saying? That's what it would be. Like, say, like if we was over, in the other countries, over in Africa, that's what they would call it, and we would call it that too. So this is more like a starter wick, more like this. Hold on, let me look around. Do I? Okay, yeah, right here. So like this is a starter wig. This is also soft. And this is how that looks. And this hair was about, I want to say about 5 to 6 inches. And so that's what that one looked like. And so, yeah, so that's what that is. You know what I'm saying? Oh, we didn't even talk about her color. And yeah, that was like awesome too. That yellow came out very well. And that's all I have to say. Wikiana, do you have any words? No. Okay, we out.